Mukariete wa kiama ya mauta Kenya nok Kiraitu murungenende akambire kweana mathomo GIKENO University ya KEMU ya njere moyo tambire wangi roikeno ariti yororo kaita kalaka kururia ntuko ya mantu GIKENO thigurone. Boniface Mogera na arare mamburena ya atuthurania riboti ye kuma Nairobi.
Happiness to bring you to that point.
Then when you go to the middle class who think they are happy, and you go to the estates where they are living and they have marooned themselves with stone walls and broken bottles, and they have panic buttons in their bedrooms, and they have watchmen and dogs, and you ask them, are you happy? They'll say they are happy, but they are worried.
This is history in the making. History is being made here, right now, and by us. By who? Us. Yeah. We are the first people in the history of Kenya to celebrate the International Day of Happiness. No other group in the history of this country has ever celebrated this day since it was formed by the UN in the year 2012. 2, we are the first people on earth to launch the Happiness Club of Kenya. We are partnering with the university who should start giving diplomas and certificates in the science of happiness, leadership and happiness. And I've seen schools in the West about leadership and happiness, business and happiness, etc., etc. So we want to introduce that also in the Kenyan soil. So I'd like to appreciate KEMU once again.